From where you live.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you're headed up towards Iowa and central Illinois, tomorrow and into tomorrow night, a pretty significant ice storm is going to evolve. We got an ice storm warning for a good chunk of the state of Iowa right now, largely in part due to the fact that we've got these two areas of dirty high pressure. They've trapped all the fog, pollution, and clouds in our area for days now. But what they're also doing is recycling some of the cold air. We've got a pool of cold air sitting over the Midwest, and as our system approaches, that's what's going to cause all this icing, and a little freezing rain is possible in our area as well. We've got 3 waves of rain in the forecast. And again, the first is going to arrive tomorrow, may arrive a little earlier than it looked at 6 o'clock, possibly even a little bit before noon. It could have a mixture of rain and even some freezing rain with it. Better chances of freezing rain are going to be north and northeast of Lafayette, where there could be some minor icing, and then another wave of rain and freezing rain tomorrow night, and then the final one as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Total rainfall from all of this by Sunday night, 1.5 to 2.5 inches. And there will be quite a bit of wind with this. Wednesday, Thursday, and even Saturday through Monday, pretty gusty out there. Wind's pretty brisk out of the east. We could have some gusts up around 30 miles an hour. So here's Futurecast. Again, there's new, not bringing any rain or freezing rain in here just yet, but I do think there may actually be a little bit edging in towards noon. Definitely by late afternoon and evening. The pink is actually freezing rain. The green is plain old rain. And you'll notice as we get into tomorrow night, quite a bit of freezing rain, mainly north and northeast of Lafayette. And it is right here in this area where we could get 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of glaze out of this. First wave passes through by later tomorrow night. Then the second wave will begin to arrive on Thursday with rain and perhaps a little freezing rain at the start. But I think the best chance of freezing rain will be with the first wave. So let's kind of break this down a little bit more. Again, there's the first wave of rain and some freezing rain coming in tomorrow. Another wave will come in as we get into Thursday, with a total of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of rain, and then a break late Friday into Saturday. But the rain comes in late Saturday, lasts through Sunday with mild temperatures in the 50s with 1 to 2 inches of rain likely. Forecast tonight, though, as we drop into the mid to upper 20s with some areas of freezing fog. Not as much as last night, though. Tomorrow, 36 the high, cloudy and blustery, rain, and yes, even a little freezing rain developing. Winds brisk out of the east. Rain on Thursday, and then more rain later on Saturday, but warming up